Good afternoon, Mr. Khwaja, and to the tech experts on the panel today. Welcome to the unveiling of Petron's new range of wireless audio devices.
Please allow me to introduce Mr. Amin Khwaja, CEO and founder, Petron. Before building the brand that Petron is today, Mr. Khwaja has ventured into digital marketing, social media, and search engine marketing in the e-commerce field. He's founded latest one, a very successful e-tailer company, before diving headfirst into the consumer electronics market. Mr. Khwaja, we have a few recognized tech experts with us today. We have with us Mr. Rishil Agrawal, who's recognized in the field for his honest and precise consumer tech reviews, while also simultaneously managing the social media of one of the largest comparison shopping sites, MySmartPrice. We also have Mr. Anuj Dhingra, an experienced social media marketer and a senior content specialist at GadgetGig, a trusted source of tech news and reviews. We have with us Mr. Arshad Kalibullah, a new media enthusiast who's currently a senior content manager at Utopia Mobile, while simultaneously holding this responsibility for the growth of Mr. Phone as its editor in chief. Can we have the tech experts?
Hi, this is Ashad here. Thank you for the introduction. I'm glad to be here.
Oh, we're glad to have you, sir.
Hi, this is Anuj, and I'm happy to be here. And thank you for inviting me. And I know Petron products for quite a long, and it's really good to be here and see these new products launching. And I'm really happy to be here once again.
Thank you, Anuj.
Hi, this is Rishil, and thank you, Meghna, for the introduction, and thank you for having us here. I'm really excited to see what the new products are all about.
Sure. Thank you. Mr. Khwaja, without any further delay, let us jump to what we're all waiting for here, the unveiling. Uh, can we have a brief introduction on Petron before we jump to the main event?
Yes, so Petron is a brand that we started in 2014-15. Our vision is to be a number one player in mid-market sector. Our mission is to deliver broad range of high quality mobile accessories at affordable price. So we have products specially focused more on audio. So true wireless, Bluetooth headsets, wired headphones and speakers. We do have chargers, power bands and cables. And we have smart wearables too. And we will be launching more products in smart wearable category too in future.
Without any further delay, can we jump straight into what we're all waiting for, the unveiling?
So here is our TWS that we are launching today. This is Basebuds Urban. Perfect. It comes with a very premium packing, very premium product with a charging case, the leather finishing, it's awesome. I'll be opening this product and showing you. So it has a leathery finish on that, and then you have a hanger to hold off it like a keychain. It's a small, compact, but very good, very finished. Even the buds, if you see, are like this. So we have a battery display here. These buds come with the dual flame. So the specification, this is 5.0 version Bluetooth. This is an ATS chipset. This has a battery of 400 mAh in the box, and the buds are 50 mAh, so it will give around 5 hours of playtime, one charge, and it can be charged 2.5 to 3 times. So you can say around 15 hours of total battery life. This has an A2DP stereo sound chipset, so the sound quality will be pretty good. They are actually very, very comfortable. If you see our other Basebud series, those all are basic, and the Basebud Urban is a little higher. And the normal price when we will sell after launch will be around $14.99.
Great, sir. Thank you. Can we see what our experts have to say about this? Mr. Kalibullah, can I request your first impression of the product?
Hey, hi. Looks interesting. Obviously, I mean, Petron has been making some very, good TWS products with disruptive pricing, if I must say. I think that in itself is something that gets people excited because uh, to make it accessible and to entirely democratize, a category that was expensive and almost sort of inaccessible for a lot of folks, in itself is, I think, what makes Petron sort of an exciting brand, to be entirely honest. And the new product is definitely very interesting, especially considering the fact that it has sort of a slightly more premium design compared to the base buds series, and that should be attractive for a lot of folks. Obviously, I haven't tested out the sound quality yet, so I will share my verdict for that later. But from what it looks like, especially certain small things like you touched upon about the design language of what Petron does, especially with respect to the fact that you get like a battery indicator in the box itself. All of those things are small cool touches that make it even more desirable. I quite like what I see, so I can't wait to test them out. Congratulations on the launch.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. Mr. Dhingra, can we have your observations as well?
Sure. I mean, I have just, I mean, I used it for a couple of days, and then the first thing is the pricing. I'm surprised that you guys have launched this kind of quality and in this price, and the leather finish, the battery indicator, and even the touch controls is one of the best, I can say. Like in this price range, the best thing, like the first thing is the aggressive pricing, which I have seen with Petron, that all the TWS, like not everybody initially, like a couple of years back when I talk about TWS, they were always in like above 1,000 mark, 12, 1,500 rupees mark. But getting these at this price, and I'm surprised. I'll be using them more, so let's see how that sound quality is. But my first impression about the quality, the build quality, and the design, especially the keychain, the holder, is actually very good.
Thank you. Thank you. Mr. Agrawal, can we have your first impression as well?
So I really like the Basebud Pro. They've sort of become my benchmark for the 1500 price segment TWS. And these new products, I think first I really like the design, and that case uh, m- looks really classy, and I want to like really check it out soon myself. And I'm hoping the same great sound quality that you got from the Basebud Pro will be getting that here. So just really excited to test these out, and I'm sure at the price that you have managed to launch them, they would also become a sure shot success.
Of course. Thank you. Mr. Khwaja, can we jump to this second product of the day?
So next is, I think I'll take Tangent Light. This is the neckband I was talking about in our previous discussion, that we want to disrupt the market and make sure that everyone can use a neckband in India. So we are launching this at rupees 499 launch price, and our normal price will be 599 on any given day. Metal magnetic buds. It has a flat cable, which I think India likes more than any other country. Then we also have the controller, which is very flexible, and you can put it in your pocket, turn it and put it in your pocket. 9.0 Bluetooth connectivity.
It sure looks great, sir. Can we have our tech expert first impression on it? Mr. Dhingra, would you like to share with us your thoughts on the first look?
So I would say the first thing is the pricing. That 499 pricing for a neckband, and especially that has a metallic earbud with the flat cable, and I like the quality. I mean, I'm sure in this price 499, I think it's just something I would love to test it out, and I'm surprised at how you guys have launched in this price, because even if you go to a local market and buy an unbranded thing, that costs you something same at around 499. So we are getting Petron, Bluetooth 5.0. We're getting 1-year warranty. So that is I'm happy with it.
Great, sir. Thank you. Mr. Kalibula, what are your thoughts on the first?
So like Dhingra mentioned, I'm 100% sure that this price point itself is going to be attractive to a lot of users. I mean, considering the fact that you don't get worthwhile wired earphones in this price point. I mean, to get a wireless earphone at 599 or 499, launch price is definitely something to look forward to. And the other bit is that considering that most of us are working from home now, I think these wireless earphones themselves are becoming very important, considering, and technology is an enabler. That's one thing that we need to understand at the moment. So a lot of us might think that we might keep a tech purchase for later, but right now is what is when everybody is buying a tech product, because students are learning classes online, or people working professionals are working from home as well. So at the moment, for them to take calls, talk to people, something so affordable is actually something that is the need of the hour, and sort of Petron brings that to the table, and that's something that I appreciate. And let's hope that the product also does well. And I'm pretty sure it will be, considering the fact that Petron has sort of made a name for itself already by selling products that are of decent quality. And of course, considering the fact that, like how Rishil mentioned previously, the BaseBuds series were pretty decent, and we've also recommended them. Since the the barrier of entry is very low, it also makes it easier for us to sort of recommend it to parents who might want to buy it for kids, at a low price point as well. So I think very, very interesting thing to look forward to. Congratulations on the launch.
Thank you, Mr. Caligula. Mr. Agrawal, can we have your observations as well?
So I think, as Ishad has very rightly pointed out, wireless audio products are all the more important right now, and it's a great thing that we're getting, some branded, good quality options from Petron at such a low price point, in which we had earlier we only had, unbranded options, and we were never really sure of quality. But Petron has made sure that even at that lowest price point, we are getting good products, which is really great.
That's great. Thank you. Thank you. Mr. Khwaja, can we look at the final product of the day?
So we have one more neckband to launch. It is Tangent Beats. So as I've said, we are focusing on neckbands because we think that this is the future, and I mean, this is where we are not number one. So we want to be number one in this category too. So this is Beats. Now the quality of Beats is the look. So you will see the normal neckbands like even Tangent Lite or anyone. They were very, very simple. So we have got one jazzy, good looking, very sophisticated. The end, this is very, very soft. You can bend it like this, and you can put it in your pocket. And then you have the specialty or difference between this. This is launch price $699. The buds inside this are equal to any other. I mean, the speaker inside, which has a copper diaphragm, which can give you 125 dB of bass. So the output you will see will be equal to any other top selling neckband, which is priced at say 1,500 to 2,000 rupees. It will give you same output. You can play this. This is a very sleek one. So the battery size is only 100 mAh, but this will still work easily for 6.5 hours continuously on 100% volume. So this is what we have, the final product that we are launching on 6th on Amazon Prime sale.
Obviously. So the question that I'll have, Mr. Khwaja, is how do you do the product planning specifically? Because for example, one of the things that matters when you're making a product, or when it's at the conceptualization stages, what parts do you pick? Like if you have to pick a larger battery or a larger driver size for a pair of earphones, and considering that you also have a price in mind, said that you want to hit $499 for a pair of wireless neckband earphones. So how do you pick those parts, and what is Petron's strategy behind it, and how do you guys go about it? If you could answer that for us, that would be really helpful for the audiences as well.
So the most important thing we as I said, we don't work with assembly lines or the guys who just do labeling of the product they manufacture and just to label it on their own brand and bring it. We directly work with, we are connected with all the PCB manufacturers in China as well as India and in US. So I don't know if you know, we also have another brand which is a sub brand on Amazon called as Xmate. So we have multiple products at different price range. So what we have understood is it's not always the price that can give you the topmost. I mean, the best quality. If you can work on a product where you know everything. So what happens is any product. Say for example, I'll give you. Say we take this product Beats, and I have used a high-end chipset. I have used the best batteries, I have used best drivers, but I missed with the cable. And the copper lines, say instead of the standard 18 copper lines, the assembly line, the factory has used a cheaper cable of say only 6 copper line inside. You will not know until unless you cut, because rubber on it will be thick, you will never know. So until unless you don't know the quality of each and every part, it will be very difficult to get a good product. So I was telling, if the guy uses a cheaper copper cable inside the transmission, from the PCB to the speaker, the voltage will fluctuate and you will have serious problems. So in electronics, audio, especially these products, the weakest link is your quality of product. So if you make any part of your product, you don't know and you use a cheaper version. So there is not much price difference between 6 strands copper to 18 strand copper, maybe 2 rupees. And the assembly line, if he wants to save that 2 rupees, he uses cheap, and because that cable will work for 1 or 2 months, you will never know what was the problem inside. So I'm trying to say is, we work on BOM level and make sure that quality is good. Now you're asking about how we decide which product. So we do our own in-house research, plus we track different markets. So we check Amazon US, we check Amazon Europe, and we do specially check Taobao and Tmall, Jingdong, because the purchase behavior in China and purchase behavior in India is similar. So why 999 ka True Wireless? Because in China, the top seller True Wireless right now is around 69 RMB, which is around 750 rupees in India. Their Xiaomi version is 999. So that's how we track that, and we say that this is what will happen in India in future. I think I answered that.
Yes, you did answer the question. Thank you so much.
Hi, this is Anuj. So I just want to know, first of all, I mean, you have launched a TWS 2 neckbands today, and do you have any future plans of these smart wearables? Because this is what people are, buying, like looking for, like getting a smart band or getting a smartwatch. And this is the first question. And the second thing is, do you have any plans to manufacture these products in India, like any future?
Yes, we are working on fitness band and fitness watches. We want to go and disrupt. So I think smartwatch is the most complicated product where you have to work on different. So it's not just hardware, right? It's a software. And I think it will take us, we are planning to have something under 1,000. So 999, we want to do a fitness band. We are working on it. It will take 2 to 3 months from now to crack it. But on other side, we want to also disrupt into fast charging. So you have your quick chargers, Qualcomm certified ones, and all those chargers. We want to disrupt that market too. We will be having a power bank as well as chargers before the smartwatch. So it will take 2 to 3 months to have a smartwatch which is in Petron's mandate, very good price, budget price around 999 or 1299 with all the warranties and quality. And you were asking about Make in India. We are working on making base buds, one of the design in India. We will start our assembly in, I mean, it's like pilot project. We will, unless we don't do some good amount of assembly here, we will not move everything here. So there will be around this month end or by next month, so August end or September first week, we will start assembling base buds, one of the model in India.
Okay, thank you.
Thanks, Anuj.
I wanted to know how has, this recent pandemic affected, like, has it affected your sales and has it made you change your strategy in any way?
Okay. So let's start from March, whatever, 16, March 17, 18, when we started closing down. We were in serious problems, but because we were planning huge. Basebuds was doing very well. We have placed a lot of manufacturing orders in China, and we got, deposits were done. We had around at least 500 to 600,000 pieces in manufacturing or pre-manufacturing stage where we have paid all the money, and suddenly everything got shut down. So that time we were very, very worried, and we thought that we will have serious problem because Amazon was not delivering until end of April. So March and April we had zero business. Then in May they started doing only the green zone. Green zone was very limited when they started on May 6th or 7th. Offline market was zero. Everything else was zero. So online zero, offline zero. By May 7th, we started getting some 100, 120 orders. But by June whole month, if I take the business, we were almost equal to our pre-COVID numbers of Feb actually. And in July, we are doing at least 20% more than pre-COVID. Our offline market is back to the pre-COVID numbers.
Tech experts, are you curious about anything else? Is there any other question that you're interested in?
Yeah, just one question about the warranty support and after the sales support, because I get a lot of questions that when we buy cheaper product or less expensive products, there is always this catch about the warranty that they don't get the support. They keep on calling the support numbers, but nobody answers them and nobody helps them. So, and about the Petron, like, we just want to know that, do you have any like plans that where people can get the warranty easily without chasing the brand? Like how the warranty things goes with Petron?
So right now we have 1 year warranty on most of our products, and the customer has to call us. So in cheaper product, there's one advantage that many times we don't even ask them to send the product back. We will just give them a replaced product. So we track numbers. So say for example, we get numbers from Flipkart as well as Amazon where we track our complaint percentage. So we are almost 1%. So say overall return can include say if the product is good but the customer is not satisfied, still he can send the product back, right? So the number in Bluetooth is around 12%, and our complaint and whatever return percent right now is 9%. So it is much lower than the platform. Say after sale, when after Amazon and Flipkart stop supporting the customer, we come into play. We have an automated call system where we take all the calls. We had a problem after COVID where we had to move everyone to work from home. We had that time there was some delays, logistic delays, and all those things happened. But right now we are able to satisfy, out of that 9%, we are able to satisfy around 70% of our customer. 30% of our customer still have problem, and in next whatever 3 to 6 months we will be increasing our customer support team, as well as we are working with a third party repair company where they have their repair centers, replacement centers in multiple cities. So by say mid of this financial year, we will be able to end of this financial year, we will be able to start nearby replacement centers too. Right now it's on call, you have to send the product back to us, or we will send you a replacement.
Okay, thank you.
I have a question. The landscape itself is very intense now, especially for the budget TWS earbuds. How does Petron separate itself from the competition, or what kind of marketing do you guys do to sort of stand apart from the likes of the many other brands that are currently present in that same the under 2,000 price category, including some big name players now who have also entered the space after a bit of a delay, but they've managed to come into the space with like under 2,000 rupee truly wireless earbuds. So how does Petron plan to set itself apart from them?
So one is, as I discussed before also, getting a budget product itself is a very, very difficult task. Not everyone will be able to do it. There are so many people trying. If you even track them, there will be a top seller coming and they will sell it, but they will be removed from the platform, or they will get returns, or there will be some complicated product. So someone works like us on BOM and they are going into assembly, they will be able to sustain. There will be surely competition. I'm not saying there will not be any competition. No one will be able to make a product at our quality, at our price. There will be a competition, but we are now, so till now what we were doing was we were just working on our pricing side. We never worked on the branding side. So this is why you are seeing this a launch. We have invited you. So we will be working with lots of influencers. We will be working with brand ambassador. We will be getting a branding side also done. We will be investing money there too. So Make in India as well as this will help us keeping us a differentiator, plus our product quality also will be good.
That answers the question. Thank you so much.
Great. Do we have any more questions for Mr. Khwaja? Thank you, Mr. Khwaja, and thank you to our experts for their time and valuable inputs and their presence on the for this upcoming product range from Petron. Sir, Mr. Khwaja, would you like to add a final note?
Thank you, guys. Thank you, Irshad. Thank you, My Smart Price team, Gadget Get, everyone. Thank you very much. I think we'll keep on working with you. We will love your suggestion. If you have any problem with our products, or you have anything to discuss, or you think there is any other opportunity we can work together, please, you can connect to us, connect to Petron. Thank you very much for coming today.
Thank you. It was a good lunch. Thank you so much. Our pleasure.
Same here. Thank you for inviting us here, and I'm really happy to be part of this launch. Thank you, and best of luck for the future products.
Thanks.
Thank you, Mr. Khwaja. Really nice chatting with you, and thank you, Meghna, for having us there, and hopefully get to test the product out soon.
Thank you, guys.